Hello everybody. Okay, welcome back once again to our class online everyone. សួស្តីទាំងអស់គ្នាតោះយើងបន្តមេរៀនរបស់យើងទី3គឺរៀនពី Sophy Stream Sophy Dreams ណាយើងប្រែថាការយល់សប្តិរបស់ Sophy ណាសុបិនរបស់ Sophy អញ្ចឹងមេរៀននេះមាន3ចំណុចសំខាន់គឺទី1 the first one you have to learn a new vocabulary and the second you have to read the story and dialogue and then you have only one exercise to do exercise B. Yeah, so there are 3 points, important points that you have to learn. Okay, so do not waste our time. I would like you to look at the vocabulary first. Now let's go. Okay, vocabulary today we have only 6 words. Okay, អញ្ចឹងពាក្យ number one យើងអានថា brick យ៉ាង brick យើងប្រែថាឥដ្ឋណា brick. number 2 គឺ capable យើងប្រែថាដែលអាចឬក៏ដែលមានសមត្ថភាព capable. number 3 invent ប្រែថាបង្កើតឡើងណាឬក៏ច្នៃប្រឌិតឡើង invent. number 4 គឺ reality យើងអានថា reality ប្រែថាការពិតណាហើយនឹងចុងក្រោយគឺពាក្យទី5គឺ sacrifice យើងប្រែថាការលះបង់ឬក៏ការបូជា okay again number 1 brick capable invent reality and sacrifice. Yeah ចឹងយើងមានពាក្យចំនួន5ដែលអ្នកនរគ្នាកត់ចូលសៀវភៅមួយផ្លែតមក okay ឥឡូវយើងកត់មេរៀនហើយយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមមកមើលមេរៀនរបស់យើងគឺយើងដល់ចំណុចទី2ដែលជាបាននិយាយមិញគឺយើងអានអត្ថបទនិងការសន្ទនា so you have to look at the picture. Yes, these pictures show about Sophie was dreaming about Angkor Wat, about a ceremony that celebrates in Angkor era. Yeah, so you have to read after me or you read by yourself if you want and read loudly and clearly. After her father's lesson about Angkor Wat, Sophie wondered what life was actually like when Angkor was at the height of its power. So she borrowed a book on the subject from a friend, and as soon as she got home, sat down under a tree to read it. While she was reading, however, she fell asleep. Yeah, she fell asleep នេះប្រែថានាងបានគេងលក់នាងក៏បានលក់តោះរស្មីក៏និយាយថា Sophie, what are you doing? Wake up. Oh, what time is it, Rasmai? It's after 6 o'clock and it'll be dark soon. Why are you sleeping outside like this? That's worry. Oh, I've just had the most wonderful dream. Guess what it was about? Yeah. Oh, you capable of dreaming about anything? I don't know. Well, it was about ancient times when Angkor was a great city. I was watching a ceremony at Angkor Wat. The royal family and other important people were inside and the temple was looking really wonderful. The whole building was painted bright red and gold. Were you watching all this on television? Oh, come on, Rasmai. It was the 12th century and televisions weren't invented until the 20th. One day, so what did you see then? An animal was being killed on a stage made of brick high up so that we could all see. It must have been a sacrifice. Sacrifice? But Buddhists don't kill animals. No, of course not. But Angkor Wat wasn't Buddhist then. It was first built as a Hindu temple. But how could you know all that in your dream? I don't know, but I did. It seemed more like reality than a dream. How do I know that this is reality? Well, it is Sophia, and I think we should go inside now before it gets dark. Okay, ចប់ប៉ុណ្ណឹងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអាចអានឡើងវិញហើយនឹងព្យាយាមបកប្រែយល់វាជាភាសាខ្មែរដើម្បីយល់ន័យរបស់វាគឺយើងនឹងធ្វើលំហាត់អូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងចូលដល់ចំណុចទី3គឺយើងមកធ្វើលំហាត់គឺសំណួរទាំង5នេះអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាច់ឆ្លើយសរសេរដាក់ក្នុងសៀវភៅទេអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាយើងកាលណាយើងអានហើយយើងបកប្រែយល់ហើយគឺសំណួរនេះវាគ្មានអ្វីចាំបាច់ទេអ្វីដែលត្រូវចាំបាច់គឺអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាលំហាត់ B បើយើងគឺ look at the table use it to make correct statements using so that as soon as and while អញ្ចឹងso that as soon as ហើយនឹង while នេះគឺ teacher បានបង្រៀនរួចហើយគឺនៅក្នុង chapter 5 unit 2អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាត្រូវទៅបើកមើល chapter 5 unit 2 ឡើងវិញអូខេដើម្បីយល់មេរៀនហ្នឹងអូខេនេះគឺ subordinate clause so that as soon as while គឺ see video chapter 5 unit 2ជាបានបង្រៀនក្នុងវីដេអូនឹងហើយអញ្ចឹងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអាចទៅមើលវាឡើងវិញដើម្បីយើងធ្វើលំហាត់នេះបានត្រឹមត្រូវអូខេអញ្ចឹងលំហាត់របស់យើងគឺយើងមានប៉ុណ្ណេះតារាងនេះគឺយើងភ្ជាប់ហើយយើងប្រើ so that as soon as ហើយនឹង while ដាក់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអត់មើលវីដេអូមុនគឺអត់ដឹងថាដើរប្រើ comma កន្លែងណាអត់ប្រើ comma កន្លែងណាគឺអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាច្បាស់ជាអត់ចាំហើយអញ្ចឹងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាទៅមើលឡើងវិញអូខេយើងភ្ជាប់នេះជាឧទាហរណ៍ទី1អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាមើលទី1 Sophie borrowed a book so that she could read about Angkor អញ្ចឹង so that យើងប្រែថាម៉េច so that យើងប្រែថាដើម្បីចុះ as soon as ហើយនឹង while ប្រែយ៉ាងម៉េចខ្លះអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាមើលឡើងវិញហើយធ្វើលំហាត់នេះ teacher ណាដាក់ number 1 already អញ្ចឹងយើងមាន5ល្បះណា5 statements 5 statements អូខេមានប៉ុណ្ណឹង thank you very much for watching and see you in the next unit thank you goodbye